Some people have asked questions like, how do you draw in perspective light poles or columns in an arcade, for example? Well, here's one way. You have light poles. We're seeing it in elevation. D represents the distance between them. It's the same. And just to show how this works, you have diagonals, so you determine then midpoints in the light poles. Those, as I just drew, M, and the same thing on the right side. And once you have that, then in perspective, so you lay your horizontal line or eye level, and you have the first pole, you have the midpoint, you have a vanishing point on the right side. You know that they converge then, the other light poles behind, they will converge to that point. So if you know the distance of the first and the second, and you know the midpoints, so you can determine, as I'm drawing right now, the distance between them. This is a way to determine through the midpoints, and also you can determine, imagine if this is an arcade and you have arches, you can determine by the midpoints, the way I just drew, how they look like in perspective. I hope this helps.